Okay, so this video takes a very similar form to question 1 that we looked at earlier. So what I'd recommend doing first is let's write this out in big at the top. So we have 4x plus y equals to 10 and 2x minus 3y equals to 19. Remember, the first thing that we need to do is we need to focus on this term in the middle. We want to get them the same. So what I need to do is I'm going to have to times the top one by 3. So times the top one by the bottom number and the bottom one by, well, this is going to be 1, okay? So it's not going to change the bottom equation. Okay, but the top equation, that's going to become, well, 4x times 3 gives me 12x plus 3y equals to 30. And like we said, we're timesing the bottom by 1, so it will not make a difference. Okay, the next step is that we focus on the signs. So we have a positive and a negative. And we apply our term of SSS. And hopefully you can remember that that means same, signs. Go on, I hope you're completing it for me. Subtract. Okay, so this is same, signs, subtract. So are these the same? Well, clearly they're not. We've got a positive and a negative. Okay, so say and subtract, they're not the same, so I'm going to add. Okay, so let's do this then. So we've got 12x add 2x gives me 14x. And then we've got 3y plus minus 3y, well, they cancel. Brilliant, that's what we're hoping for. And next we've got 30 add 19, which gives me 49. Okay, so that means that x then is going to be equal to 49 divided by 14. Okay, can 14 go into 49? So I know that 14 times 2 is 28. So that means 14 times 3 is 42. So 14 isn't going to go in nicely into 49. So let's try and simplify this as best we can. Can I divide through by anything? So can anything go into 49 that can also go into 14? Hopefully you're thinking 7. Okay, so 49 divided by 7 gives me 7 over 2. So 7 over 2 is my answer for x. So you can see there that we can do that without a calculator. So the next step I need to do then is choose one of these equations. I'm going to choose the bottom one. Okay, so 2x minus 3y equals to 19. We're going to have to get good with our fractions here. So 2 times 7 over 2 minus 3y gives me 19. Okay, 2 lots of 7 over 2. Hopefully you can see if I do 2 times 7, that gives me 14. And then 14 divided by 2 is 7. So we're going to have 7 minus 3y equals to 19. We want to find what y is. At the minute though, I've got a negative 3y. So I aim to probably make that positive just because then it's nicer to deal with at the end. So if I move that to the other side, I'm going to have 7 equals 19 plus 3y. And then if I move this 19 to the other side, I'm trying to get y on its own. At the minute, this is positive 19, so on the other side it becomes negative 19. So I'll have 7 take away 19 is equal to 3y, which means that minus 12 is 3y, which means if I divide through, I get y is going to equal to minus 4, okay, because minus 12 divided by 3 would give me an answer of minus 4. So you can see here that my answers for this question would be x is equal to 7 over 2 and y is equal to minus 4. Okay, I hope that all makes sense. And if you feel confident with this, please look at my quadratic simultaneous equation, which is a little bit more advanced and targets those level 9, level 8 questions.